Guys, we have some breaking things that I want to talk to you about that are extremely important that you listen to in entirety, because we have two things happening right now. We have a Ripple and SEC case where people are trying to allege that there are new developments in these cases that is absolutely 100% FUD, guys. Also, we have people saying the XRP is going to miss the bull run, that there won't be an XRP bull run. I want to squash all this and help the community understand what is truly happening in this digital revolution. Guys, all I ever ask is if you do like talking about both Ripple and XRP, you know what to do. Drop an X in the comment section, smash that like button, and share this video. Let others around the world know what is truly happening in this digital revolution. Because guys, earlier here today, I did a video where just after I was going through the comments, which I always try to do, and I saw that a couple comments said, hey, can you check this out between the Ripple case and SEC and what is happening over in California specifically, because it sounds as though there are new developments, unfortunately. There are folks out there in this community, the XRP army, that are scared based off what they believe is new developments. These are not new developments. And I want to get straight into this first and then talk to you about what is to come, what I believe based off actual facts for the price of XRP in the bull run. Now, Ripple versus SEC, XRP futures still unclear on state level, lawyer confirms. Now, this came out of You Today, and there was an influencer here today that put a video out on this. I'm not going to name him by name and give him that satisfaction, but I just don't do that. I'm not here to bash on anyone, but I will say that there's some misinformation going on out there, as even in this article it states, in a recent development in Ripple's litigation in California, a U.S. District Court judge has issued orders on several motions bringing further clarity to the ongoing lawsuit in which plaintiffs allege security laws violations by the cryptocurrency company. The parties involved in the XRP lawsuit have scheduled settlements talks as the court prepares for its pre-trial conference December 19th and jury selection January 21st, 2025, which those two pieces are correct. Now, what you have here is you had Fred Rispoli, who he's a good guy. He's a kind of a commentator in the community, knows what he's talking about. He's a lawyer. He put, as things stand, legal expert Fred Rispoli has flagged the ongoing uncertainty regarding XRP's classification on the state level. He said that the California case, which is based on state law, does not directly affect the SEC versus Ripple case, which is true, which is based on federal law. So he put, quote, there could be, I've been sleeping on the civil case in California and need to update myself on what's happening. Remember, the issue is still being litigated to whether XRP is security under state law. So what he's saying directly right here, this isn't new. He just needs to update himself on what is happening over in California. And people are putting out FUD, influencers, making it seem as though this is a new development. This is not. This is at the state level, and this is small potatoes compared to the federal level. If you think about where the federal government sits in comparison to states, it's always going to be the umbrella. Yes, of course, there's different laws for different states that aren't necessarily across the board for federal. But guys, what do you think? Do you think it's more important at the federal level or the state level? What we have right now by rule of law is that XRP is not a security. This is what the law states. Now, we have lawsuits going on against the SEC because we saw what happened with Bitwise file a lawsuit against the SEC. Why? Because the SEC, they are trying to break the law, which again, the law right now states that XRP is not a security. And so they've been treating Bitwise, the SEC is, unfairly. And so what you have right now is the entire industry going against Gary Gensler and the SEC. We should not be starting up FUD anything further than all the FUD that we already have happening right now. What we have coming to us in a couple weeks is a new administration, whether it's Trump or Harris. Either way, Gary Gensler, him having the reign of terror over the cryptocurrency industry, as Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, recently stated, that's coming to an end. And so we must stay positive. We must speak the truth, talk about what is truly happening in this digital revolution. Now, guys, the other piece of FUD that you will hear out there that, quite frankly, is not true, and we need to inform everyone about this, is the fact that XRP won't see a bull run and that won't move in this upcoming bull run. If that is true, then why did it happen in the past? As we can clearly see from October 2020 to April 2021, XRP absolutely mooned, went from 25 cents, $1.75 in just a matter of months. Now, also, that was pre-knowing that XRP is not a security. And so we have to inform the masses. Guys, also, I got a new microphone. Let me know what you thought of the volume and the quality of the sound on this video as well. But I just want to get you this out in a timely fashion, as yes, there's FUD out there that, quite frankly, should not be there.